Hello and welcome to another update video about Fetch AI. I've just recorded a video about EDGX and basically it's the same story here as well. We completed possibly a 5-wave move here on the 8th of February. 7th of February came down in an A wave, moved up in a B wave, came down in a C wave. ABC structure, this hit the trend reversal area between the 61.8 and the 50% FIB level. If we come down a little lower, that would be certainly possible. So we still have space in this larger yellow box. Okay, so because I'm just saying this because so far it's not doing anything. I would like to lean towards a count which indicates direct upside from here. So a wave 1 to the upside of the 10th of March. And then again, a nice ABC structure to the downside. And ideally, it would now take off from here. But price action currently doesn't give a lot of confidence. So I would rather be prepared at least for a move down as well. Because, you know, what you see here is a possible 1-2 setup. In a 1-2 setup, ideally, the bulls now in a third wave, they should just take off. But it's not doing it. So the longer this sideways action takes, I mean, I cannot rule out that we will reset here white wave 2, and that will happen if we drop below the 33.6 cent level. Yeah, the 33.6 cent level is the 78.6 FIB level, and below that level this yellow 1-2 setup will become unreliable and we'll probably get a larger corrective pattern. And again, that would not be necessarily too much of a problem. We could take, or in this wave count, which is still then overall bullish, WXY, yeah, and the wave 2 would reset here, but it would need to hold 17.5 cents. We can still take off from there, but below 17.5 cents, I'm going to turn bearish on this count, not on this count, on this chart. Yeah, I mean, it's certainly possible to count this here as a wave W then, if we don't break out from here. And the problem is the current price action doesn't give a lot of confidence for a direct breakout, but we're holding support, so I'm still watching if we can directly go up from here. WXY, and then here maybe an A wave, yeah, and even in this B wave we could go a bit higher, or we form a triangle and then one more move down in a C wave. So be aware of the different pivots, trend reversal areas. We had one here. We could very well use that larger one again if we drop below the 33.6 cent level. If we do that, if we drop below that 33.6 cent level, I'm probably going to take the yellow 1-2 setup out and will directly reset this wave to a little lower, somewhere here. Yeah, so that's what we need to be prepared for. So unless, I mean, at the moment, unless we drop below that level, I'm focused on higher, but it means current price action means we cannot have too much confidence into a direct breakout count and need to be prepared for a rather move down. At least be prepared for it. Yeah, I mean, as long as support is holding, I treat it as such, right? But because we're just trolling support, I would seriously not be surprised if it breaks that. And there are different ways of counting this, right? It could be, for example, here an A wave down, as I said, B wave triangle, and then the C wave down to reset. But then again, just look at the FIB levels and see if they break or not. We are finding resistance currently here. This dynamic resistance level is a 20-day moving average, pushing price down. We had a small bearish crossover here as well. But yeah, it just needs to make a move like most cryptos as well. They're all in a very similar structure. Some moved a little bit more bullish than FET in the last few days, but the majority is just moving sideways. So we just need a bit of patience. Not the most interesting week, I have to say, but there's not much more to add now. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.